graders. Today we are going to be doing Word Study Unit 24. Your hint today is a matter of life or death. Our roots today are going to be vit or viv, which is a Latin root meaning life or alive. Our next root is mort, which is the Latin root meaning death. And our last one is nat or nask, which is a Latin root meaning born or birth. So make sure you write those down and put them in your notebook. Our first word for today is revive, and it has that root viv in it, meaning alive. And it is to make someone or something strong, healthy, or active again. The doctor tried to revive the patient using CPR. Vivacious has the root viv in it, meaning alive. And vivacious is happy and lively in a way that is attractive. It's used especially for a woman. At the age of 75, my vivacious grandmother lives an active and exciting life. Vital has the root vit, meaning alive in it. It is extremely important, very lively or energetic. My nurse played a vital role in my recovery, and without her, I would still be very ill. Mortal has the root mort in it, meaning death. It is certain to die eventually, or causing of death. Every living organism is mortal and will eventually die. Mortify has the root mort in it, meaning death, and really this means to cause someone to feel extremely embarrassed and foolish. It's kind of that, oh my goodness, I would rather be dead moment if you are so embarrassed. It would mortify Jean if she knew she was walking around all day with spinach stuck between her two front teeth. Mortuary has the root mort in it, meaning death, and it is a funeral home or a morgue where the deceased are prepared for funerals. The flowers were delivered to the mortuary for my great-uncle's funeral. Mortality has the root mort, meaning death in it, and it is the quality or state of being a person or thing that is alive and therefore might actually die or will eventually die. It's the quality or state of being mortal. The number of deaths that occur in a particular time or place is also known as mortality. So we might have mortality rates for a war. It says surviving a near-death car accident has reminded me of my own mortality, that you will certainly die someday. Innate has that root nat in it, meaning natural. So it's existing from the time a person or an animal is born. McKenna had an innate ability to paint and was creating amazing artwork with no formal training at the age of 3. Nationality has the root nat in it, meaning natural. The fact or status of being a member or a citizen of a particular nation. She is American, but her parents are of German nationality. Native has the root nat in it, meaning natural, and it means to be born in a particular place or belonging to a person since birth or childhood, produced, living, or existing naturally in a particular region. So we might use this if we're saying, I am proud to be a native New Yorker born and raised in Brooklyn, or you might be talking about a plant that is native to the area. It means it was originally there. And those are our Greek and Latin roots for this week. Please make sure you've written those down in your notebook to help you out with your word study. Thank you.